Friends, so far I have covered Unit 1, 2, 3 of Law of Tort. Now I'm continuing Unit 4, that is the last unit. And let us understand what is Consumer Protection Act 2019. Hope this topic will be very helpful for exams. I have considered all the factors, all the questions which can be asked from this topic, this unit, Consumer Protection Act. Now let us start. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 in frequency CPA 2019 protects consumer from by establishing a framework for redressal against unfair practices covering offline online deals and defining rights like safety information, choice and redressal with complaints filed by consumers, government associations or legal heirs for defective goods, deficient services or unfair trade practices. It aims for speedy grievance resolution, empowering buyers in all market types. Now coming to definition of consumer. Who is a consumer? A consumer is someone who buys goods or hires services for consideration, including offline, online, e-commerce, teleshopping, etc., but exclude those buying for commercial resale. Now, key consumer rights. What are the rights provided by this Act? So it comes under Section 2(9) of the Act. Number 1, right to safety, protection from hazardous goods, services. Rights to be informed, access to quality, quantity, purity, standard and price details. A consumer must know about the quality, quantity, purity, standard and the price of the commodity goods, whatever he purchases. Right to choose, access to diverse goods, services at competitive price. Now right to be heard, consideration of interest seeking redressal. He must be heard. A right to seek redressal, claiming compensation for unfair trade or defective products. Now, right to consumer education. To be an informed consumer, he must be informed. He must have a knowledge about rights and responsibilities. Now, who can file a complaint? Section 35. It comes under Section 35 of the Act. A consumer, voluntary consumer association registered under any law, central or state government, one or more consumers with a common interest, the Central Consumer Protection Authority, CCPA. In case of a consumer's death, their legal heirs or representatives. A minor consumer's parent or legal guardian. So this can file a complaint. Now, what are the grounds for filing a complaint, or what constitutes a complaint? It comes under Section 2(6) of the Act. Number 1, allegation of unfair trade practices, UTPS, or unfair contracts, defects in goods brought, deficiency in service hired, charging excess price, and manufacturing spurious goods or false ads. On these grounds, you can file a complaint. Now, Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. This commission established, constituted for your grievance redressal, dispute redressals, and I am giving you here the pecuniary jurisdiction, monetary jurisdictions of the commissions. There are 3 types of commission. Number 1 is district commission, dealing with up to 1 crore rupees. It comes under Section 34. State commission above 1 crore to 10 crores given in Section 47. A national commission above 10 crores mentioned under Section 58. So these are the monetary jurisdiction where you can file your complaint for redressal. Procedure for filing a complaint. Now, how you will file a complaint? To file a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act 2019, you can use the National Consumer Helpline (NCH) portal, consumerhelpline.gov.in, or apps like Umang NCH, or physically approach the relevant consumer commission according to your monetary value of complaint, district, state or national level, based on the claim value. After sending a legal notice by detailing the grievance, parties, supporting document, bills, etc. and relief sought. The process involves registering, logging in, filling details, uploading evidence and tracking online. Now I am discussing this in detail. How can you file a complaint? I am discussing in detail. Key steps. Number one, pre-filing, optional but recommended. Send a legal notice to the seller, provider demanding resolution. What do you want? A replacement, a refund, or repair? Determine jurisdiction. Now, on the basis of a monetary complaint, you decide the jurisdiction of the commissions like district, state, or national. File with the correct forum based on your complaint amount. Now, choose filing method. Online method is recommended. Register on the National Consumer Helpline website, the e-Dakhil portal, or apps like one. Second, log in and fill out the complaint form. Details of parties, cause, facts, and relief. Upload supporting document, bills, receipts, warranty, etc. in PDF format. Now you have to pay the required fee online, and you give an ID, receive a unique ID to track your grievance. You can also file the complaint offline, also file in person or by registered post with 3 copies at the appropriate commission office. What are the informations needed? Your name, address, contact details, opposite party's name and address, date, time of purchase or public service, details of goods, services and price paid, facts of the case and cause of dispute, relief or refund or compensation. Now supporting documents, bills, invoices, warranty, etc. you have to attach. There is also the alternative method. You can call on 1800114400 or 1915 NCH or SMS 8800001915. So friends, this is all about law of tort. I have concluded the last topic of law of tort. Hope these topics, this discussion will help you a lot for your coming examination, and I expect that the questions based on this discussion will help you a lot. Thanks for watching this video.